Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This puts controls within reach. Click the three-dot menu, choose Settings, and use the search field to avoid hunting. You don't need to sign in, but make sure you're on the profile you want to change because settings are profile-specific. Once done, you'll be positioned to alter site behavior. This first step saves time and prevents accidental changes to other profiles, so confirm the active profile before you continue. You now navigate to Site Settings to find JavaScript controls. In Settings, type Site Settings in the search bar and open it. This groups content permissions. Locate JavaScript in the Content or Permissions list. It may be labeled Allowed by default. Use the global toggle to block JavaScript across sites, or click Manage Exceptions to block or allow individual domains. Make changes deliberately. Blocking globally alters many sites, so prefer exceptions if you only need selective control. You finish by toggling JavaScript off or adding site exceptions and then testing pages. After blocking, reload sites to confirm scripts stop running. Some pages require a full restart of Chrome. If a site breaks and you need it back, return to exceptions and add that domain as allowed. If changes don't take effect, clear cache and site data, then retry, because stale resources can mask permission updates. If problems continue, reset site settings as a last resort and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.